So have you ever had a situation where you had to use more than one headphones or speakers or a combination of both at the same time, whether it was to share music or to seamlessly switch between the two devices without going through taskbar and changing? And if you're a gamer out there, you know you cannot change your audio device while you're in game. You have to restart the whole thing. Now this video will show you how to avoid that. Before I show you how to do it, there's one condition. You need to make sure that your sound devices are separately visible on the sound control panel. To check that, open the run command by pressing Windows and R, and then go to mmsys.cpl. So just type that in, press enter, and that should bring up the sound control panel. So once you're in the sound control panel, you can see there should be separate devices. An example of not having separate devices is in a laptop. A laptop has a speaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack. As soon as you plug it in, it switches to the headphone jack. In that example, you won't be able to use both devices at the same time. But it can be easily fixed with a USB sound card, which costs $5 on Amazon. Okay, now let's get to the part where I show you how to do it. So first thing you'll need is a program called Voicemeeter Banana. You can download it from the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you go back to the sound control panel by opening Run and typing mmsys.cpl. Open that and then set Voicemeeter input and click on Set Default. Once you've done that, press OK. Now you need to open Voicemeeter Banana. Now once you're greeted with the screen, look on the right side where it says A1, A2, A3. Those would be your headphones. So for example, on A1 I've selected my wireless headset, on A2 I've got my wired headset, and A3 is empty. I can select one more headphone if I need to. Once you've selected that, on the left side of that thing, you should see these two vertical bars. Now on the side of them there should be A1, A2, A3 buttons. Now click on each one to make them all active, so they should be in green in color. And that's it, that's done. And you can use the sliders on the right to control your volume per headphone as required. And one other good practice is to keep the volume at 100% from the sound control panel I showed earlier. Now all that's left to do is to find your favorite song and hit play, and you should be able to hear it on all headsets. Anyway guys, if this video helped you, drop a thumbs up, consider subscribing and dinging the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. And that's it, that's done. Now all that's left to do is find your favorite. Now all that's left to do is to find your favorite music song.